Have you ever wondered whether you can use FaceTime on an American Airlines flight? Maybe you're about to board and want to video call your family or friends. Well, here's what actually happens. The short answer is no. You can't use FaceTime for video calls on American Airlines. American Airlines does offer in-flight Wi-Fi on most flights, but voice and video calls, including FaceTime, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams, are not allowed. For example, let's say you're already on the plane and connected to the onboard Wi-Fi. You open FaceTime and try to start a video call. The call will probably fail, freeze, or simply won't connect because those services are restricted on the airline's network. However, that doesn't mean you're completely offline. You can still send text messages using apps like iMessage, WhatsApp, and regular SMS on many Wi-Fi equipped flights. If you purchase a Wi-Fi pass, you can usually browse websites, check email, and even stream some content, but two-way video and audio calls are not permitted. Here's another example. Imagine you're flying from New York to Los Angeles and want to show your family the view from the airplane. Unfortunately, FaceTime video calls aren't allowed, but you can still send photos and text messages while connected to Wi-Fi. So let's break it down. FaceTime video calls, not allowed. Voice calls over Wi-Fi, not allowed. iMessage and WhatsApp texts, allowed. Web browsing and email, allowed with Wi-Fi. Before your next flight, make sure to download movies, music, or podcasts in advance in case the onboard internet is limited. Have you ever tried using FaceTime on a flight? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and travel guides.